So hi, I'm Rahul. I am excited to share that I have been placed as a DevOps engineer at Emphasis. When I started learning DevOps, I only knew the basics, but I was not confident about handling the real-world project and technical interviews. Uh, that is when I joined Paperlive Learning. It turned out to be a most best decision for my career. The training was not only related to theory. We worked on DevOps project, real-time interview questions, and CI/CD pipelines, cloud technologies, Docker, Kubernetes, as well as Terraform and real-time scenario-based questions. The mentors were very detailed to feedback session, and they really explained so that it made it easy to understand and apply in real-time interviews. One aspect that made a huge difference, that was they conducted multiple technical mock interviews. In the mock interviews, they asked about real-time project based interview questions and how to answer the scenario-based question in companies like Emphasis, and they evaluated my answers. They detailed every feedback after the interview, and they identified my weak areas. This helped me a lot to improve my technical skills and problem-solving approach and confidence. I'm truly grateful to Paperlife Learning for training, conducting multiple mock interviews, and placement. Thank you.